We're at Meridian Plains on the Sunshine Coast. The site wasn't marked out when we got here, so we've located the site the best we can off the GPS coordinates, and we think we've got it nailed down pretty well. If you pan around, most of those trees in the background are paper barks and are in what is called a swamp. Just in front of it and where the drill rig is, we're just panning back. There's a very subtle low ridge which may be 500 mils higher than the swamp level, and I'll take a shot in the other direction if the sun doesn't flare the camera in a minute so you can see. And there's just this low ridge which is probably 30 metres from swamp side to swamp side. The drilling's progressing over there. The water table's at about 1.2, I think they told me, but we'll check that in the report later. And they're getting alternating layers of clay, which varies from very stiff to just firm, and sand. And these layers, and again we'll wait for the bore logs, but you sort of get 1500 of clay, then 1500 of sand, and alternating in that sort of spacing on the way down. But that'll all be revealed in the report, because at the moment they're down 10 metres and just drilling a bit deeper, but we're in a pretty stiff clay now, we think, so we might have found the foundation material. I'll just take the shot from the other side. I'm now about 50 metres from the drill rig, and I've got the western sun behind me, the western skies behind me. You're just looking into the swamp with the lush green, the paper barks, and we'll just pan around. On the other side of those trees over there's that housing estate on the other side of the road when it's formed, and the road's not formed here, it's an easement, and you can't even drive down it. There's up behind those houses, there's a creek crossing you can't get across, and we've come in through the paddock. If we go around to the drill rig, which is just there, you can see that it's on a gentle mound, and as we pan around the ground just drops there, and you'll see some reddish coloured plants. These plants, there they are there, they're actually in an it's not a creek, you just call it an overland flow path which is running through. So we've tested this local high which corresponds to the GPS information we've got. So that's Meridian Plains. Behind me, which is not worth panning around, is basically just an open paddock. But, and the fence you can see is the boundary fence with Meridian Plains Road. Okay, that's Meridian Plains. Thank you.